Students, here is an introduction of Social Studies Part 3 Civics. Today we are going to study chapter number 9, that is urban livelihood. In this chapter we are going to study about the human beings which are known as nomads in primitive times. Nomads are the people who travel from one place to another in search of food, water and shelter. Now we will talk about occupation. The method of livelihood to earn a living is called occupation. Means of livelihood differ from each other in rural and urban areas. As India is a land of nearly 6 lakh villages. These villages are located in different settings and surroundings. The life in the villages is quite different from that in the city. In the villages, we hardly see any shopping centers, malls, etc. There are farms and agricultural fields all around. The life in villages is so calm and peaceful. Now we will talk about the types of occupation, that is primary, secondary and tertiary. Now we will talk about the primary occupation, which includes farming, fishing, mining and forestry, etc. Material produced through primary activities include cotton, wood, coal, etc. Primary occupations involve the production of raw material using natural resources. Now, secondary occupation involves conversion of raw material into articles of utility. For example, raw cotton is processed into cotton textiles through machinery. Tertiary occupations include activities that provide essential services to the people, for example, teaching, transportation, banking, etc. Now we will talk about some occupations in urban areas because some farmers like laborers migrated to cities to work on daily wages. First is hawkers and vendors. We will discuss it through an example. Every morning, Razan, a vegetable and fruit vendor, sells vegetables and fruits on a cart. He gets up very early in the morning and goes to the wholesale market, popularly called mandi, to buy fruits and vegetables in bulk. Then he goes off to the streets to sell those. He makes very little profit, and so it is difficult for him to make food both end. As a result, he can't save for his future needs. Next, we will talk about business persons. Another category is business persons. Own small or big shops in a market to sell various things. In order to run their business, they procure a license from the municipal corporation. It allows them to run their business freely without the fear of their shops being shut down by the police. Now we will talk about wage employment. Wage workers include masons, laborers, factory workers, painters, sanitation workers, plumbers, etc. It is more clear with an example. Like Sonilal worked in an export company. He started working in this company when he was 20 years old. His daily wage is rupees 120. Sometimes on the occasion of festivals, he work overtime and earn some extra money. This is not a permanent job, and workers like Sonilal are always in fear that they may be asked to leave anytime if there are not enough orders. Next is regular employment, which refers to the state of being permanent employees or government employees. Let this topic be understood by an example. A girl named Ria, she is an officer in Airways. She is living a happy life. After graduation, she cleared the airway exam and became an officer in Airways. She has a permanent job. She earns a good salary. Her working hours are fixed. She gets paid leaves and is also entitled to bonuses and other incentives. Her salary increases in fixed time. In addition, she gets the benefit of employees' provident fund, various insurance, loans and pensions after the retirement. She enjoys a respectable status in the society. That all matters. In regular employment. Thank you, students. Hope you all have enjoyed the lesson. Have a nice day. God bless you all. Keep smiling.